Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about what are the basic things which you should be adding in the chart to analyze any stock on technical basis. So the first thing which you should be adding in a chart is volume. So just go on indicator, that is FFX, and type volume chart. Now you can add your color. This is my favorite color, so I'm going to mention this. So now we have got the volume here. So the next thing which you should be adding is RSI. So volume will be showing you how many stocks has been bought or what is the volume of the stock which has been sold on that day. RSI will be showing you the strength of that stock. So we are not going to go in deeper basis. We are just going to do on normal basis. So the next thing which you should be adding is moving average. So just type it, moving average. So the first moving average which you should be entering is 20 moving average, and in type you should be entering that exponentials, and whichever your favorite color is there you can enter that. Now I'm going to add 50-day moving average. So same thing, I should be going for exponential. Next I should be entering my favorite color. Again I'm going to the next one. Now it is 100-day moving average. Now I'm going to enter the next color. So I'm going to enter the third color here, and I'm going to make it as exponential. Now the next one is 200-day moving average. Now go to exponentials and select your favorite color. So now you got it that what is the levels of the chart. So you can see here that the stock has given a heavy volume buying. You can see that nearly 200 million stocks has been bought by this week, okay, on 31st of May. Before on 6th of June actually, nearly 206 million shares has been bought, and you can see the movement here. In the next one, a slight correction is there. So you can see here that the stock is trading at this valuation. So this is 200 week moving average. If in case you are going to enter 1 day candle, so you can see that this is 20 day moving average, this is 50-day moving average, this is 100-day moving average, this is 200-day moving average. In case you are going to enter month value, no, so you can see that this is 20 months moving average, this is 50-month moving average. So you can see here that this is the strong price, and from here only the price reaction is coming. But you can see the volume. So the volume is nearly 480 million shares has been bought by this month. So you can expect the superb kind of movement in coming days. So what would be the level, how to find that? So there is some more things which you should be doing here. So we are going to enter here pivot point. So just come here and type pivot point and just enter here. So now you can see here that this is the support level for the stock, okay. So if it is going to break the level of nearly 58, so next level for the stock is going to be nearly 61, and the next level is 80. So on a shorter time frame we can expect the level of nearly 80. Let's go to the monthly time frame. So you can see here that the first level for the stock is nearly 61. That is a strong, that is 50-month moving average, okay. If it is going to cross this level, the next level is nearly 80. If it is going to cross the level of 80, the next level is 107, and the next level is 122. So how these pivot points are getting analyzed, so you can do let me know in case you are interested to know about that. So we are going to make a video regarding the same, and we are going to help you to understand the same as well. So if you like the video, do let us your comments and your opinion about this. So we are going to improve ourselves as well. So let's grow together.